Hey, we're making a zucchini bread today. Come along and watch. Good morning. Welcome to Mom's Easy Eats. So, what do you do when you grow a lot of zucchini in your garden? I don't know about you guys, but I make zucchini bread, which is what I'm doing today. And I know I have another video about it, but this is what we do all summer long, make lots of zucchini bread or zucchini muffins. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I have all my stuff ready. I have shredded zucchini in here, sugar, and I have all my dry ingredients here. I'm going to be putting my wet ingredients in this bowl. And over here I have my flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And I'm just going to start adding this all in here and mixing it up. And I usually start with the zucchini and the sugar. Get this, and this is going to be a zucchini banana bread. We love it when we mix the two. It just really comes out special tasting. And the list of ingredients and how much will be in the description. So I'm going to make this up. And this recipe is actually for 2 loaves, but I'm going to attempt to make this in a large pan because I just happen to have these pans and I just want to make one big loaf, and hopefully it cooks all the way through good, and we'll see how that works out. So let me get this mixed up, and I have some vanilla and lemon juice here. And whenever I make zucchini bread, I always put just a little bit of lemon juice. And you could use lemon peel for sure. Oh, I forgot to mash my banana up, but that's okay. Get that done. And 3 eggs. And you might be tempted to use your hand mixer for this or your stand mixer. I wouldn't, because it's a quick bread and you don't want to overmix the quick bread. I've got my oven on 350. In go the bananas with the zucchini. Get all my lemon juice out of there. Give that a quick mix. I should have gotten a bigger bowl, right? I'm not going to do it this time. I'm going to stay with this smaller bowl and we'll see how it goes. We're just going to mix this up. And then I'll spread it out in this pan. All right, so I'm going to get this right in this pan. Hopefully this will cook all the way through. Nice big loaf of zucchini bread. Normally these are made in a smaller pan. All right, I'm all ready to put this in the oven, and I'm cooking at 350, and this is probably going to take 45 minutes to an hour. So let's get right on that. Let's see if this will just fall right out of here. It did it pretty good. Could have left it another minute or so, but it's okay. Did it. Fell right out of there pretty much. So it came out perfect. It cooked all the way through for 55 minutes. And even though it's hot, I think I'm going to cut some anyway because we like it nice and warm with butter on it. And hopefully it will cut good. And see, oh, it's a little crispy around the top. I usually put butter on the top, but I just haven't done it this time. I think I will spread a little butter on it. It'll soften these edges. I mean, they're just a tad crispy, but not a big deal. It'll soften right up. Pan off of it. It looks good. It smells good. I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. So, I think honey, you want some of this?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to cut a couple of 3 pieces on here.
It smells good over here.
Yeah, I know. The whole house smells like zucchini bread. So that's a plus.
Smell my walking
Plus, plus. Super soft. Let's get some butter on this. I don't know how you guys eat your zucchini bread. We love it nice and warm with butter. So fresh out of the oven, pretty much. You gonna come over here and have some of this?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Ready for some that bread. That's really good stuff.
Here, you eat that.
Boy.
And I'm gonna go around.
Dig right in. What I'm gonna do. That's really good. Really good.
Give me one of these. I'm gonna take the end piece. Uh-oh, we're dropping pieces. Best thing about the garden is getting the zucchini.
You said you were signing you bought a check too, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm going to go out and look at see if we have more. That's really good. You know, that's a zucchini banana, by the way. I did it half and half, so.
Not really good. Really good.
I wonder if you can make bread out of the yellow squash. I bet you can.
Yeah.
That's a thought. All right, I'll see you guys next time.
But you ain't the whole loaf.
So good. Well, I wouldn't eat the whole loaf. That might be too much for you.